Hi everyone, welcome to another Xhosa lesson. Today we're in the kitchen and we're going to be cooking for you guys, and I'm not alone. I'm with the very awesome Abigail.
Hi guys.
How's it going?
I'm good. I'm excited to learn.
I'm happy to have you on my channel. So guys, today we're going to be making Mngqusho. We're going to be making
Mngqusho.
Mngqusho. You're going to get there. Mngqusho. No, you're gonna get there. You're gonna get there.
Oh.
The more you say it, the more Mngqusho.
Mngqusho.
Yes. So we're gonna start off. We're gonna go over the ingredients and what we're gonna be needing, and just some terms that you use in the kitchen. So for anyone who loves the kitchen, it's not just the ladies, even the men who love being in the kitchen, or you want to help your women, or
definitely. I like a man that can cook, so
we all do. It's a must. So guys, please pay attention. As I said, we're making Mngqusho, and we're gonna bring out the ingredients for you guys. Abigail, bring them out for the people to see. Here we have sam, which is crushed corn, and it's left to harden over time, which is called umdampu or Mngqusho. Well, that's the main part of the Mngqusho. Back in the day, Mngqusho was only made of sam, and then beans came along to spice things up. Back later on, it was then it was still called Mngqusho.
Oh, okay.
Sounds
interesting.
Yeah, a pot imbiza.
A pot imbiza.
Okay,
that's easy.
Yeah, that's easy. Got that. Yeah. Then salt is ikiwa. Ikiwa. Yes, I forgot about the pepper. Ipepire. Yes, the attitude. I feel it. Yes. Okay, and then it has beans. Imboiki. Yes. So as I said, imboiki is the beans, and then sam is that crushed corn, which is umdampu or umbona. Umbona is the mealies basically.
Okay.
So that's basically what we'll be needing to make the basic version of Mngqusho. But obviously there's lots of variations, because this is when this is cooked, it becomes more like a curry, like a bean curry sort of thing.
Nice.
Because then people add curries. Oh, and there's also another important ingredient you forgot.
Beef stock. How do you say that?
Beef stock. It's beef stock.
Oh, okay. So
we call it beef stock. But it's
beef stock. Okay.
Yeah, beef stock.
Oh, cool.
So this is one important ingredient when it comes to making Mngqusho. Near the end, you put in beef stock, and you can put in some oils. Imagine making a bean curry. You just add what you want, some onions, but this is the basic way of making, the way they would make it in the villages, which is the sam and the beans, and you add the salt and the pepper near the end. Okay guys, so this cooks actually for 3 hours.
Oh wow.
Slow cook for 3 hours, because this is maize that has been hardened over time, so it's very hard. So unless you let it overnight.
My grandma used to make it, and it took 4 hours. I know.
Yes, it does. It takes forever. So now we can get started, guys. So imbiza, what you do is utata imbiza, to take a pot. Utata
imbiza.
Ugalele amanzi.
Ugalela umanzi.
Amanzi. Ugalele amanzi. Yes, you're gonna get there. So galela amanzi is to pour water. Ugalele amanzi. Then you pour water. Okay, you can pour some water in the tap. Abigail ubeka imbiza estovini. So she's putting the pot on the stove, and it has the water in. So what you would do is put in 3 cups of this and 1 cup of the beans. So a cup A1 yembotyi, and then a cup ezintathu zesempe. So that's what you do. So galela, you can just pour. Let me get you a knife. Okay. So we're not gonna measure. Or we can measure, but 3 cups. So just pour 3 cups.
Okay.
So and then I will. Ooh. And then a cup yokuqala, the first cup. A cup yesibini, the second cup. And then I pour the bean cup. A cup yesithathu, the third cup.
There you go.
And then I think it's too full. Is it gonna manage? And then
No, it won't. Just.
Digalela imbotyi. I'm putting in the beans. Can you put it in, Abigail, for me? Okay, great. We have like all of those. As I said, these come in like maybe like 30 minutes before you finish the beef stock, the pepper, and the salt. So
Okay.
we let that cook for 3 hours, and then you have Mngqusho, which is like super easy if you want to make it super basic. Then you add spices, you add whatever, you know, that comes to mind. So that's how you make Mngqusho. Now when you want to stir, we usually use wooden spoon, which is called ipini.
Ipini.
Yeah, so you can go and stir. So to stir is to zamisa.
Zamisa.
Yes, uzamisa ngepini. Abigail uzamisa ngepini. So Abigail is stirring with the wooden spoon. Okay, and actually guys, a knife, when you're using a knife, you say usika. When you're like cutting, like the way we cut it here, you would say usika. Isika le plastic, yes, and other appliances is itepe that you would use. You'd probably use like a bigger spoon, like something like this. Also guys, like the important things that I wanted to highlight is when you're like putting in, taking out, or pouring and all of that. So to take out, as I'm doing now, to take out is ukupa itepe. So I just took out itepe. So I would say, Abigail, ndicela ukhuphe itepe. Or in this case, I would say, Abigail, ndicela undinike ipini. So give me the wooden spoon. Thank you. So it's like ndicela undinike. To nika is to give. Ndicela undinike ipini. Okay. Ndicela uzamise ngeli cephe. Please stir with the spoon. I'm stirring again. So then, as I was saying, like to open is to vula. So if you like opening, you'd say vula ifridge or vala ifridge. So when it's hot, because clearly this is not on, but when it's hot, you would say ishushu, ukutya kushushu. The food is hot. And when the food is cold, kuyabanda.
Kuyabanda.
Yes. And then when it's lukewarm, you say kudiki-diki.
Kudiki-diki.
Yeah, kudiki-diki. Oh, you got it. Okay, kushushu or kuyabanda or kudiki-diki. So if I want to say pass me something and it's like this one and that one. Okay. So if I say like this one, Lena, or that one, Leia. That one, Leia. Okay. Leia is that one. So then this one is like Lena, Leana. So this one, that one. Lena, Leana. So yeah, so if I say Abigail, ndicela undinike Lena. Can you give me this one? And then I would say like ndicela undinike Leana. So that one. Okay, so if you're cooking and then, you know, for some reason you go into the loo for far too long and then the food burns.
Oh yeah, it happened to me so many times. So yeah.
So you'd say ichile. So Mngqusho uchile. The mngqusho has burnt.
Ooh, that doesn't sound good.
Yeah, it doesn't sound good.
Oh.
What are you gonna eat, right?
Yeah.
Or you would say, if it's done, it's cooked, it's finished, you would say ivutiwe. Mngqusho uvutiwe.
Uvutiwe.
Yeah, it means it's done.
Okay.
Like mngqusho uvutiwe ungaphaka. You can dish up. Mngqusho uvutiwe ungaphaka. You can dish up. So that's basically that, guys. Like, I hope that teaches you how to make mngqusho. I know it wasn't the most elaborate of recipes.
I mean, I have learned a lot, so
yeah. I mean, like I say, this is just the basic version to get started. Go out there and try it yourself and add your own spice to it, and yeah, make it your own. That's what I like about Mngqusho, is that you can make it your own and add different things and make it fun. So yeah, that's that. Thank you so much for joining me on this video.
thank you for having me.
I needed that feminine energy like to help me out in this kitchen.
I enjoyed it so much.
Oh, thank you so much. And also, like, I know you struggled a bit with Mngqusho.
Yeah.
How is it now?
It's
Let's see.
difficult.
Let's
Okay.
see what it's like now. Mngqusho.
Mngqusho.
Oh my gosh, that's so much better. Well done. It's coming along nicely, guys. And how it works with learning any language is that you have to keep trying it. You have to keep going and trying it one more time until you get better. So you guys have to come back and watch these videos again. Subscribe and press the notification bell so you can get update on new videos that are coming up, and come back to this one as well. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.